Good morning, adventurers. Well, just good morning. It's just after 11. Heading uptown to Toowoomba to Elite Motorcycles for a shop ride. Just an afternoon jaunt around. I think we're going to Esk. Yeah. Just, I don't know, just because that's what they're doing. So Curtis works there, so yeah, thought I'd go along, something to do. Absolutely incredible weather for a change, and yeah, so just heading out my driveway and going on uptown. So it's just going to be a road ride because it's for anybody to come along, but yeah, it's just a lovely day to be out and about. Well, here we are. Just pulled up at Elite. A few bikes here already. I think it's about 20 past, so yeah, quite a variety, even a bloody, what are they, Victory. Don't see too many of them around. Oh, anyway. So, should be a good little putt around the Savo. Alright, we'll see when we hit the road. Okay, so everyone's getting ready to leave. So the guy leading's that is on that big orange R18, pretty flash looking bit of gear. Big Grom here, fully worked Grom, have a go at it, oil cooler. She's got the bloody heavy breather, sports pipe, old Zephyr. Haven't been on this sort of a ride since that bloody Royal Enfield One ride a couple of years ago. So just heading out the north side of Toowoomba, and you look down to the valley there. Pretty awesome views up here. And this is the big, what do you call it? Toowoomba bypass, the range crossing. See, yeah, you can't really see it. Part of the big viaduct called Multuggerah Way. Well, I've got to say, I haven't seen weather like this for a while. It's a bit windy, but who gives a rats? At least the sun's out, and I can't see a bloody cloud in the sky, actually. Look at it. Oh, there's a little one. That's more like our spring. We're coming into Hampton. So this is the downhill part down into, well, not directly into Esk, but yeah, otherwise known as the fun part. We're coming into Esk. You can tell with the big hills behind. Here we are coming up the main street of Esk. So here we are, Angie's Cafe. Here we are in Esk on the Elite Shop Ride. Bloody awesome day, as I said earlier. Let's have a look at some of the bikes, eh? Nice little Scout. What's that? A Yamaha Tracer 9. It's interesting. Nice Interceptor. Big 1200 Tourer.
Take a photo.
Nice traditional Zephyr. 1250 GS. The leader's bike. My bike. Victory. Different. Oh, look at this 1200 traditional, like the original R80. Huh? XJ14, no, GSX 1400, is it? Yeah, okay. Good. So the 310. Curtis's. Here comes the Grom. Look, they left a spot just for you. Lots of Beamers and Suzukis and stuff, of course. And a boat. Alright, we're going to have a drink and stuff. So we're leaving Esk with Curtis and the three learners leading. Now, we had about 25 bikes all up, which is pretty damn good for a Saturday Arvo ride. So heading back to Gatton on the Gatton Esk Road, and then through Blancheview, onto Flagstone Creek Road, and then home. We're on the Gatton bypass now. We'll be heading to Withcott, then turning off at Withcott and heading through Blancheview. Have a go at the sound of this MT-07 Yamaha. It's had a pretty good little noise. pretty right. Oh, here we go, run through Blankview. The big R18 sounds pretty good too. We're just about on the Flagstone Creek Road and then it'll be back up to town, so I might end this video here. Thanks to the team at Elite Motorcycles for putting this ride on. I think they're going to try and make it a bit more regular, and sometimes there'll be adventure rides and different things. So awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the day out. And don't forget, subscribe, like and all that sort of bullshit, and we will see you in the next video.